crazy. She needs to be arrested. She'll suck your dick so deep that you'll feel you'll be digested. Nympho. She's a nympho. Hey, that's a bad song. Oh, after you sing everything. Sorry. No, for the. I was like, hey, we're drinking at my house too. If you guys want to come, you guys can. You guys can. I was like, the guys are gay. I was like, because you guys are gay, and never invite. And then Cynthia's like, it was a girl, and I was like, whatever, fuck that. She's like, Saturday we are all drinking, but today was chicken out.
Well, thanks for Saturday.
Boy, Saturday.
Did you guys look at me, folks?
Well, you could have gone home. Yeah, vagina.
Come on.
I was like, come on. That's how you looked earlier. I know, dude.
Let me see. That's exactly the way you looked earlier.
Like a bitch.
Just like that, right there. Hey, man, stop.
I went to Alex at Iri's house, and like, I was peeing, and then like, these things had buns on it, so I just put my pants down a little bit, and I was peeing, whatever, and then like, I was gonna, because there was toilet paper in the thing already.
In the toilet?
Yeah, so I was trying to like pee on toilet paper, like switch it around, you know, and then like I saw the pee stop, and I was like, where the fuck? And then I was peeing, like, and it was all dripping down right here, it was a big old pee stain. I was like,
What?
It's a big old piss stain.
Watch.